Hi, this is Patty. I'm in the dashboard, the main dashboard right now, and I just want to show you a couple of features that we have that will allow you to search and organize your slides and playlists very easily. So if you look at the top of the pages area, we have a little search up here. I know that I made a slide that had a fish fry in it, so all I'm going to do is type in fish. I didn't even get to fish. And it brings up the slide right away. So if I want a fast and easy way to edit the slide, just pop in a keyword and it'll bring up your slide right away. Just take out that keyword and you'll go back to your original view. Right next to that, we have ways to organize your slides. So you can organize them alphabetically, ascending or descending, also from when they were created, old or new, and the dates they were modified. Same holds true for the playlist area. So I have a main playlist. All I have to do is write in main and it brings up my playlist. I can edit that right away. And on the right hand side, a way to organize your playlists. Again, alphabetical or when they're created or modified. So just another way to make it a little bit easier to do editing your content. So stay tuned for some more features. We'll be right back.